5 ways to make him stick to you like glue. When a man has his eyes outside of a committed relationship, it usually signifies that his partner has failed to fulfill his needs, leading him to go elsewhere. Men are polygamous, and while the majority of men find it difficult to commit to a woman for biological reasons, a woman who is open and understanding may persuade her man to stick to her like blood plasma. A woman can only succeed in this if she has a complete understanding of what it means to be a guy. The simple secret is to give him something no other woman can. Even if he is a womanizer, he will still yearn to return to you since he can't receive what you give him elsewhere. These are the 5 ways to make him stick to you like glue. Make sure you watch till the end to avoid missing any important information. 1. Hug, kiss, and cuddle. Even on the days when you don't feel like making love, being physically close is crucial. It creates intimacy as well as a sense of safety and belonging. It's a higher level of closeness, and it's important to keep it. So don't let your daily obligations prevent you from giving each other lots of kisses, hugs, and cuddles till you fall asleep in front of the TV after a long day. 2. Treat your guy the way his mother would. Every man wants a woman who will pamper him and take care of his needs just like his mother did. You must first and foremost be familiar with his favorite cuisine and how to make it in a special way. A man cannot help but think about rushing back home after work when he finds out that his woman spoils him with unique sweets. He continues visualizing what is in store for him at home as he works on his PC at the office. Making him feel welcome and comfortable after he returns home is just as important as cooking the food. Try giving him a kiss or a peck on the cheek when he returns from work. Ask him about his day. Pay great attention to what he says. If he faces any challenges at work, try to provide solutions. As he takes off his clothing and shoes, arrange the table for dinner, get the bath ready for him to wash his body in, and get comfortable. If you can, spoon feed him. If not, don't worry about it. Make sure your partner is at ease with this. I've seen men boast about women countless times. They always start their comments with, "My wife is like my mother. She treats me well and she makes me unable to look outside." 3. Keep up a healthy sexual life. If you want to keep your man, you shouldn't play about with this. Recognize his sexual needs and desires and do all in your power to satisfy them. Give him a beautiful sexual experience that he craves constantly by trying to understand when and how he prefers to have sex, his mood, and your relationship. While some men prefer women who are sexually open and have a variety of sex techniques, others do not. This might be the only reason that a guy can get insecure and lose trust if he learns that his wife has an insatiable thirst for sex and develops various sexual behaviors. These kinds of issues should be tackled. Make sure he loves having sex with you and make the experience memorable so he continues coming back to you. 4. Dress to kill. I'm telling you, a woman with poor fashion sense will always make her partner leave. Men love to boast about their women, therefore it seems logical that they would think their partner should constantly look stunning. Whether you think you're attractive or not, your clothing and look will always make you stand out. Please always dress nicely for the occasion. Even at home, wear clothing that shows the most of who you are because it is your home. By wearing nicely and appearing attractive, you may constantly arouse his desire for you and make him dream of you. When a woman dresses elegantly, her spouse will constantly boast about her. I recall a guy comparing his wife to Jennifer Lawrence because she meets Jennifer Lawrence's beauty standards. 5. Shake things up a bit. The rut is excellent because it is familiar and comfortable, but it can easily get boring and cause you to drift apart. Therefore, be sure to introduce something new to stir things up a bit. Plan a date, play a practical joke, or get some sexy lingerie. Be creative and present him with a pleasant surprise. The change will occasionally be like a breath of fresh air, bringing back the excitement in your relationship and reminding you why you fell in love in the first place. Well, I hope I was able to help you. Thanks for watching.